In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can contact TikTok customer support. So when you launch up TikTok, you'll be on the home page, and then what you want to do is tap on the me icon at the bottom right of the screen to go to your profile. And then you can see 3 vertical dots at the top right of the screen. Tap on those 3 vertical dots. And then you want to scroll down until you can find the option that says report a problem underneath support. So there it is, report a problem. Tap on that. And now if you have any one of these problems over here, you can go ahead and select one of them. But if you just want to go ahead and send the TikTok support an email, what you need to do is scroll down, and then the last option there is privacy and abuse report. Tap on that, and then you want to tap on other at the bottom, and then you want to tap on still have a problem at the bottom again, and then you can give them some feedback as to what your problem is. So you can see previously I wanted to go live but I couldn't, so I sent them an email. So you will just type in your query or question over here in that box, and then when you're happy with what you've written, go ahead and tap on report at the bottom, and then that will send TikTok customer support an email, and they should get back to you within 48 hours. So if this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.